Hey everyone, I'm Barbara Hannah Grufferman, host of Gruff Talk, How to Age Better. And a few weeks ago, I had on the show as my guest the wonderful Gretchen Reynolds, who was until recently one of the big important health writers at the New York Times. And then she moved about 6 months ago over to the Washington Post, where she writes the Your Move column. And she's just terrific. And when she was on the show, we talked through three of her most recent articles. And one of them was about grip strength, which is, I find very, very fascinating because as it turns out, and Gretchen Reynolds talked it through some of the studies that she's seen recently, your grip strength is a really strong indicator of how you are aging right now and also how you will be aging in the future. The good news is if you don't like the number you see when you test your grip strength, you can make it better. You can improve it with simple strength training exercise, not just a matter of, making your grip stronger. It's about making your whole body stronger, and then your grip strength will be a reflection of that. So you can do the squat and planks and push-ups and maybe some free weights, and all of these things will help with your grip strength. And I just wanted to share this handy dandy little tool with you. I did mention it during the episode, but it's a dynamometer. And you can get this on Amazon as I did, very inexpensive. And then you just input simple information like your age and then you hold it as tightly as you can, and then it'll show you your grip strength. You should do your right hand and your left hand. And then the good news is that you can improve your grip strength if you're not happy with the number that you see. So, let's just test mine right now. Okay. With one hand only, and you hold it like this. I forgot to turn it on. Let's turn it on, shall we? Okay, ready? So now we're gonna... Okay, so it's 66. My age happens to be 66, which is pretty funny. So 66 at 66, which is actually very, very good because I do strength training, but I'd like it to be even a little bit better than that. So I will continue to do my strength training to improve my grip strength. But everyone, you can also go to a physical therapist's office or a doctor's office. But I say just get one of these. They're inexpensive, and then you can kind of keep tabs on your grip strength as you do more strength training and resistance training exercises. You can test yourself again. It's very, very motivating. Hopefully this helped you to age better. Bye for now.